Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to another video. Today, I'm going to show you how to set up a 1v1 match in Call of Duty Mobile and challenge your friends to a duel. Before we start, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I work hard and spend a lot of time to create them for you. Alright, let's get started. First, you need to launch the Call of Duty Mobile app on your device and go to the home screen. From there, you need to select the multiplayer option, which is located on the right side of the screen. This will take you to the multiplayer menu, where you can choose from different game modes and maps. Next, you need to tap on the menu icon, which is the three horizontal lines at the top right corner of the screen. This will open a drop-down menu, where you need to select the private option. This will create a private lobby where you can customize your match settings and invite other players. Now, you need to change the game mode to 1v1 Duel, which is the mode that allows you to play a one-on-one match with another player. To do this, you need to tap on the Mode Change button, which is above the Start button. This will show you a list of all the available game modes. You need to scroll to the right and choose the 1v1 Duel option. After you have selected the game mode, you need to invite your friend to the match. To do this, you need to tap on the plus sign next to their name in the friends list, which is on the left side of the screen. This will send them an invitation to join your lobby. You can also invite other players from your clan or your recent matches. Once your friend has accepted your invitation, you can see them in the lobby on the right side of the screen. You can also chat with them using the chat box at the bottom of the screen. You can also change the map, the time limit, the score limit, and other settings by tapping on the settings icon at the top left corner of the screen. Finally, when you are ready to start the match, you need to tap on the Start button, which is at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will launch the match and take you to the loading screen. The match will consist of 3 rounds, each with a different weapon type. The first round will be with pistols, the second round will be with shotguns, and the third round will be with snipers. The player who wins 2 out of 3 rounds will be the winner of the match. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.